Hey guys, so welcome back to the channel. This is how to fix LG dryer D95 error code. So first thing is turn off and unplug the dryer for safety. And now guys, if you don't know, D95 means airflow is reduced by 95%. And so just simply disconnect the vent hose and inspect for leans and debris or crushed sections. Now, another one is check the entire duct run to the outside vent hood and make sure the exterior flap opens freely and isn't blocked by nests or dirt. Now you could also clean the system by using a vacuum or vent cleaning brush to clear the hose and wall duct. And also remember that keep it as short and straight as possible for the hose for better airflow. There we go. See ya.